युवक जिसने सारे सांसारिक बंधनों को तोड़कर स्वयं को बंधन मुक्त कर लिया था, उसका एक ही प्रेम था, उसका देश, और उसका एक ही शोक था, उसके देश का पतन। A man who believed that a nation falls not because it must, but because people allow it. And when people choose to act instead of stay silent, the whole nation begins to rise. Warm greetings to all the ladies and gentlemen present over here. Today I, Taranpreet Kaur, am going to speak on the continuing relevance of Swami Vivekananda's teachings. My lovely audience, one of the strongest ideas of Vivekananda was universal acceptance. At the Parliament of Religions in the year 1893, he spoke not just for one religion, but he spoke for humanity as one family. उन्होंने हमें सिखाया कि सहन करना नहीं, अपनाना जरूरी है. And his message was simple, that tolerance alone is not enough. We want full acceptance, wholeheartedly. And in today's world of religious conflicts, this teaching reminds us that how peace can truly be achieved. For Vivekananda, education was not just about living or earning. He believed education should build confidence, values, strength and character in an individual. उनके लिए शिक्षा आत्मविश्वास पैदा करने का एक रास्ता थी. In an age where education is restricted to degrees and marks, his ideas of character making is deeply relevant. Furthermore, even after gaining immense success in the West, Vivekananda could have chosen a comfortable lifestyle in the West. Yet, he returned to India. उनके लिए सफलता आराम नहीं, देश के लिए काम करने का नाम थी. And my lovely audience, this teaches us that relevance of success lies not in our personal gains, but in our contributions to the society and ultimately to the whole nation. Vivekananda's idea of inclusivity is powerful. As I mentioned about his address at the Parliament of Religions, his initial 5 words, brothers and sisters of America, made the hall to erupt in applause. Vivekananda believed that no society can grow by excluding people. He spoke of humanity as one family. उनकी नजर में कोई छोटा या बड़ा नहीं था, सब एक समान थे. अंत में अपनी वाणी को विराम देते हुए मैं कहना चाहूंगी, विवेकानंद को मानना पर्याप्त नहीं, उन्हें मानक बनाना होगा. अगर राष्ट्र को उठाना चाहते हो तो किरदार को उठाना होगा. अतः विचारों को केवल भाषण नहीं, जीवन का एक हिस्सा बनाना होगा. धन्यवाद.